Alright, y'all, I'm sending this train down the track at full speed. I'm about to collide this thing into another train. Trust me, guys, it's gonna get pretty destructive, some people may say. And trust me when I say this is not gonna end well for either of the three locomotives, because there are not three but four locomotives. So there's three locomotives pulling this train, and one locomotive for that train down there, which we're about to bail off right now. Oh crap. Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you guys see that? Oh my goodness! Oh my god, what is... Holy crap! I think one of the locomotives got... Oh! Oh, jeez! Oh, jeez! Oh, holy crap! Dude! You guys saw that, right? Oh my goodness! Not as destructive as the Kismet train collision, but this is definitely the most destruction I've ever seen. With a normal train crashing into another train video. Oh my goodness. The red locomotive... Hold on. Is literally like right over there. All the way over there. And I swear, at one point, this GP9... Watch my mouse. This GP9 like jumped like that, and I think one of the train cars got chucked at one point. Oh my god. Two of these train cars are literally buried into the goddamn ground. Well, one of them anyways. But the second one's partially buried, but yeah. Oh my goodness, guys. That was super crazy. If you guys want to see more train collision videos, not based on disasters, but just random train collision videos of me crashing random trains into each other, let me know in the comments. And until then, I'm B48Z. See you in my next episode upload. Until then, I'm out. Peace, guys.